spending an hour in your brand hub getting things organized for you is going to save you time in the future. So spend an hour now and save many hours later. Recently, Canva shared with us a lot of new features. We're going to explore the Brand Hub. What is Brand Hub, you might ask, and where's the brand kit? This is going to be your go-to place whenever you're editing because you can find your photos, your graphics, icons, what fonts you use, everything within this Brand Hub. Where can you find it? If you are on the home page, you can find your Brand Hub right here on the left-hand side. I've got one brand kit in my Brand Hub. I could create another brand kit. Let's say I've got one brand kit for the Creator Classroom and I've got one brand kit for the Project Help Desk. Brand templates, you can create something as a brand template. And essentially what it means is I can use this as a template and I can change things in here if I want. It's got my music that I wanted for it and everything. So I absolutely love that. And brand control. This works best when you're collaborating with a team. So let's go back to Brand Kit because this is where the magic really is. You can have your logos in here. And I've kept all of my iteration of my logos. I even have this one in here as well. You can have color palettes. So I've got a TCC color palette. I even have secondary colors. There are new font options. Originally, you had a heading, a subheading, and a little body of text. Well, now you can have a title. You can have, I don't remember what this was called originally, but you can rename it to anything you want. I renamed it League Spartan 36 so that I would personally know that that was League Spartan and it was the font size of 36. Section heading, body, quote, etc. This is amazing. You can add photos that you've downloaded or that are on your phone or whatever to your brand kit now. I'm going to be able to take this and I'll show you in a second. When I click the three dots, there is something called Replace Across Design. And this is a cool feature that I've not tried out myself, but this is a very old logo. Replace Across Designs. Finding that across all of my designs, it's in 5 of them. So I could select all, continue, and then replace it with the new one. And I'm going to be able to preview it first. Oh, I kind of don't want to replace that one because you get the gist where you can actually replace a logo in old designs. You can add graphics here and you can even add an icon. It's really simple to do. All you need to do is click plus new and add a photo. These actually, all 3 of these. So I'm going to collect these and add them to my photos. So that way when I go into thumbnails, I can actually just select those instead of keeping them in my project, filling up my project. You can even add guidelines on how, where, and when to use these photos. And so those are just the different things that are in your Brand Hub that's amazing. And you can even select these on the side to get to them faster. How would you use the Brand Hub in a project? Let's go back home. Why don't we do like I talked about with the thumbnails? So we're just going to grab thumbnails. This is a new feature too called Magic Design, but I'm not going to go into that today. It's really fun though. Up here at the top is your Brand Hub, your brand templates that you could switch out, your headings here. Here's my photos. So I could take this, click that, and replace the background. I could do the same thing here. If I wanted this one with a glittery overlay, then I could use that. I'm going to go to grid because I don't want that taken over the background. And there we go. Canva's made it super easy and they've added a layers panel. All I need to do is go to position, go to layers, and then I can take this and move it down. And I just love that so much. I can take bits and pieces of different things and create thumbnails with them. So let's say that I wanted to change the background out of this. It used to be not complicated, but it would have taken me a little time to do. Now I can just go to my brand hub. I can choose a different picture and replace the background. This is going to be a really, really big game changer moving forward for me for thumbnails. You'll see that what I do is keep a variety of different things on a page. Well, instead of doing that, I could put 3 or 4 of my favorites into the Photos tab so that I don't have to go back and forth from the pages on the sheet. Or like right here, I now have this picture in my brand hub. I'm going to have to spend a couple days like updating my brand hub. And if you have Canva Pro, I recommend you doing the same thing, because spending an hour in your brand hub getting things organized for you is going to save you time in the future. So spend an hour now and save many hours later. If you want to learn more about a different new feature in Canva, then you're going to want to check out this video right here that's on your screen. And I'll see you next time. Bye.